Bye bye. Ha du. Good morning, everyone. We got Michaela over again. She's gonna help out for a few days. I'm still eating breakfast, and now we're gonna go to the shop to get some things.
La gamma Ranger comprende tutto.
Whew. That is quite a lot of compost right there, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna need all of it. And finally we have the wood chipper, so we can get working on the garden. So finally we have our wood chipper, so we can get started on dealing with this huge pile. Here we go again. So we're gonna start here, top of the basement stairs. I've got some patrons to thank. First off, Bert and Nienke, which have been my first patron since the beginning. I'm going to attach the pieces later, obviously, but for the sake of speed, I'm just gonna add them like this. Well, I thank everyone. I've got Peter Kielaert. Thank you so much for being a patron. I'm also sorry for mispronouncing any names, obviously. Ria, I guess. Thank you so much. Then we've got Brandon White, Anne Bronkhorst, Sandra Jansen, and lastly for this level, Gary Boyd. Move on to the next level, which is our level 10, which is this small set of stairs. Level 10, John Kelly. Thank you so much for being a patron. Then we got Pauline Hakala. Thank you so much, Pauline. And lastly on this floor, we have Steve Eli. So if you haven't seen my Patreon explanation video, which is in the description of every video, I'm gonna leave those name plaques in here. Basically, you earn a name plaque after a certain amount of time on a specific tier. After that, I'm gonna leave your name even if you don't support me financially, and it will be replaced only when I have no space left and I have to start all over from the beginning. But until then, your name is part of Villa Oliva. Moving on to the next floor. So, wow, so far. Sort of alright, I guess. don't have any time to film all this, but we got some onions, some more garlic here, 2 different kinds, and we tried to transplant all those things in those rows. We got some sunflowers, we got some broccoli there, basically a whole lot of stuff. But we're rushing a little bit because we're leaving tomorrow morning to go towards the Netherlands to pick up some more stuff.
Some more stuff.
Yeah.
Going to visit some family friends, right?
Yeah. To visit some friends, family, and pick up some stuff.
Maar misschien gebruik ik die dan, anders doe die ui hierin.
Ja.
Oh, die wil ik hierin.
Anders rode met een kleintje.
Nee, maar die dat is prima. Ik
Oh.
er allemaal één groot in. Oké.
Next level up, which is level 15. This is the main marble staircase when you enter the hallway. So the first I would like to thank is Peter Kanov. Sorry for my mispronunciation. Second of is Eric on YouTube. So thank you so much, Eric, assuming this is your name. At level 25. I've got a very special patron to thank on this level. As you might have noticed, we climb up, and while we climb up in the house, you've got more space to work with on your plaque. Your plaques become larger, and at this point even you get so much space, in fact, that you get space to put in an extra sentence, inspirational quote, or whatever you like. And again, JJ, thank you so much. He's been a great support on helping me figure out what the history is behind this whole villa. So special thanks there is due. Very nice. Thank you so much, JJ, for your continued support in the whole villa renovation. Lastly, we've got a YouTube member, and that is for this level, which is level 30. And now we're arriving at the 2nd floor. You might have seen her in the comments somewhere. She always has these lovely emojis in her comments. It's Kelly Ackerman. So thank you so much to all my patrons that have been supporting me in the past and are supporting me right now. You are making this project come to life. So thank you so much. You really are contributing to this project, and it's amazing to see how much you enjoy this project, this adventure that I'm sharing here with you. Obviously, no pressure, but if you feel like you want to financially support the project as well, then you can do so by becoming a member on YouTube or by becoming a patron on Patreon. And the links are in the description below this video, as always. Good morning, everyone. Today's traveling time again.
waar je ook wel dingetjes kan kopen, spelletjes of met Flying Tiger.